Ang kasaysayan ay istorya ng isang sambayanan. Kay Pilipino, kay anumang grupo, lahat ng mga grupo sa buong mundo, may kanya-kanyang saysay, no? Story to tell. Kaya tawag natin dyan sa English, history. Because it is a story kung paano nag-develop ang isang kultura.
History of a people should include not only the history of political events, but also the history of economic developments and cultural developments.
Bakit nga ba pinag-aaralin ng kasaysayan?
Ang kinakailangan pag-aralan upang makapag-develop ka ng say, kaugnayan sa development ng iyong society, mayroon kang ipagmamalaki at magkakaroon ka ng isang katapatan dun sa heritage na yun sapagkat alam mo kung saan ka galing.
In my personal life, I might discover certain things that I do not see now, but I will understand better because I'm able to look back to my past.
Mayroon ding functions ang mythology. It makes you clear. So saan ba tayo galing? Ang kabuuan, bawat grupo sa Pilipinas may kanya-kanyang myth of origin.
Paano magiging madali ang pag-aaral ng kasaysayan?
History is a story. And children, and young people, and even old people like to hear stories. If you tell the story, making someone understand that he is part of that story, then you will appreciate it better. No, it's not something that is completely detached from his life.
Hirap kami mag-memorize ng dates, pangalan at lugar. Talaga bang kailangan mag-memorize?
That's the only way to remember. You have to memorize the dates. You've got to be familiar with the artifacts. You've got to be familiar with the events. And the only way to be familiar with the events is to memorize the dates. The only way to be familiar with the development, you've got to see the artifacts themselves.
You will eventually memorize things when you consider them significant. What is more important in history is that we see the connections and that we have insights into history. We can see things in a certain perspective. No? If we know that something happened in 1521 and something happened in 1492 and something happened in 4 BC, something happened in 476 AD, and that way we have a perspective. So it's not just the numbers that matter, no, or the names, but the perspective that we have.